Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we are going back with our Xiaomi Smartband 8, also known as the Mi Band 8, the Xiaomi Mi Band 8. Okay, so we are going to check again the different sports functioning. It is also one of the most asked questions about this fitness tracker. How many sports functions do we have on the Mi Band 8? And what are these sports functions? Okay, so let's check on this video. So this video will focus only on the fitness functions. Okay, so we are going to enumerate it one by one. We will check and see if what are some of the additional features for this sports function. So if you have any questions regarding this fitness tracker, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Okay, so let's check now our Mi Smart Band 8 or Xiaomi Mi Band 8. Okay, so we will check on the sports function of this fitness tracker. Okay, so we have here a section for the sports. We have the workout. So we have here some of the most common, okay, access sports function. Okay, so we have it here from jump rope to pool swimming. But if you tap on the more section, we have here different categories of sports. So we have water sports, okay, outdoor activities, training. As you can see the training here, we have at least 40 sports. We have dance, combat sports, ball sports, winter sports, recreational sports, okay, cardboard games, and other sports here. Okay, so let's check first with our water sports here. So we have sailing, paddle boarding, water polo. We have here other water sports. Okay, if it's not included here, you can still track your sports activity with other water sports. Okay, so it might track or it might monitor the, let's see, okay, the time, calories, and heart rate. Okay, and compress. Okay, so we have swimming, again, water sports. We have water skiing, kayaking, rafting, rowing, power boating, swimming, okay, fin swimming, diving, artistic swimming, snorkeling, kite surfing, flow riding, and dragon boat. Okay, for the outdoor activities, okay, so with connected GPS you can also track the your location. Okay, you can have your own map tracking. We have trekking, trail running, climbing, skateboarding, roller skating. Okay, so we have skateboarding here, parkour, ATV, paragliding, BMX, race walk. Okay, so limited on the outdoor activities. For the training, okay, so we have a lot of sports here. Okay, from rowers, stepper, spinning, okay, core training, flexibility, pilates, gymnastics, stretching, strength, cross training, stair climbing, aerobics, wall ball, okay, dumbbell, barbell. So there's a lot of sports here, as you can see. Okay, let's check it one by one. We also have lower body, abs, if you want to have a good abs, back, air walker, parallel bars, stepper, what's this one, mass gymnastic, cardio, combat, okay, battle rope, aerobic combo, indoor walking, indoor fitness. Okay, then we have dance, square dancing, belly dancing, ballet, street dance, zumba, folk dance, jazz dance, Latin dance, hip hop, pole dancing, breaking, ballroom dancing, modern dance, and dance. Let's check. For example, what does it tracks? I guess the calories and the heart rate. So we have here calories, time, and heart rate. Long press to end. Okay. Again, let's go back. So where are we now? So we're done with the dance. Combat sports, we have boxing, wrestling, martial arts, tai chi, muay thai, judo, taekwondo, karate, kickboxing, kendo, fencing, and jiu-jitsu. We have here ball sports: tennis, basketball, golf, soccer, volleyball, baseball, softball, American football, hockey. Okay, so table tennis and badminton, cricket, handball, bowling, squash, billiards, shuttlecock, beach soccer. Okay, volleyball here, sepak takraw, futsal, hacky sack. Okay, I don't know other sports here. I don't know the other sports, but we also have highlight gate ball, dodgeball. Okay, winter sports: snowboarding, skiing, cross country skiing, ice skating, indoor ice skating, curling, and other winter sports: snowmobile, hockey, bobsleigh, sledding. Okay, we also have cardboard games. You have chess, checkers. Okay, I don't know what this is. Bridge, board game. For example, chess. It monitors what? Calories or just the heart rate? Okay, so it also monitors the calories and heart rate here and the time. Okay, then the last one, I think the last one is the other games. So we have equestrian, okay, athletics, and auto racing. Go, let's check. Again, calories and heart rate, just the same. Okay, how about running here? Let's check with the GPS support or outdoor GPS. So it tracks a lot of options here. Oh, metric steps, average pace, cadence, calories. Okay. Freestyle. Let's check. Okay, calories and heart rate also. Okay, so that's it for the sports function, different sports function loaded to our Xiaomi Smartband 8 or the Mi Band 8. Okay, so if you are interested in getting the Xiaomi Smartband 8, and if you want to check whether your favorite sports is also included in the list of sports for the Xiaomi Smartband 8, okay, you can check on our video here. Okay, check this video, okay, till the end, so you can check all the detailed or included sports in the smart band. Okay, so if you have any questions regarding this fitness tracker, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time.